Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn how to make waffles in a waffle maker with pancake mix for 6 to 9 people. In this recipe, we're going to use 2 cups of your pancake mix, or you can use a pancake or your quick mix, 2 cups of Bisquick, a cup and a half of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 egg. And you want to mix all that together, and then once you've mixed it together, you've got your batter. And if you're going to have that many people and you're in a hurry, you may not have time to go through all the other steps it makes to do fancy waffles. But what I like to do is either I put them in the warming drawer or put them in a nice warm oven that's only like 100 degrees, and put over a towel over it, and that way you can keep them warm till you get enough that you can serve that many people, because it does take a little bit of time. But once I get my batter already mixed up, then I'm going to get my waffle maker, turn them on, and I like to spray mine with Pam. It's really hard to put butter on them and get them coated really well. You either get too much or not enough. And then once the light comes on, you want to fill it with this, and then I spread it with this little spatula so that it gets nice and even, so that you get a really pretty waffle. And now our bell has just rung, and we've got to turn it back over and lift the lid. Wow, it's pretty! And this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned how to make a waffle in a waffle maker with pancake mix for 6 to 9 people.